Welcome. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. Now, to get started, you will need to grab one of these SIM ejector. It comes provided with a device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located in the midsection, the right side of the device, left side of the device, right over here, as you can see. Push it in, and the tray pops out. And once you take it out, you'll have space for only a single SIM card. Just place it on here like so, and then insert it back into the device. And as you can see, it pops up with the SIM is locked because I do have a pin on it, so I'm gonna quickly confirm this. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.